Alright, this is a recently acquired Kenmore 12,000 BTU, or excuse me, 11,500 on that tag. You can see it there. Come on, focus. It is from 1984. Where's the date? There it is. 05/84. For some reason, the person who had it wrote 94 on the top. It's an 84. It's built by Gibson. It has a rotary compressor, a Matsushita rotary. Not a reciprocating, unfortunately, but it is a nice compressor anyways. The thing is in immaculate shape. The filter's a little dirty, but there's no rust whatsoever in this unit. A little bit of dirt, but the person who had it must have taken pretty good care of it. Focus, focus. I have it sitting here in the yard behind the shop here. There you can see the rear. It's got the 3 vent design. Let's see if I can show you a little better. Okay. So it's got the sliding grill, access to control since it is a Gibson. Got thermostat, fan, speed, power saver and constant, and vent control, which opens the vent vertically, not horizontally, which is pretty interesting. I don't see many that do it like that. Anyway, start with high fan. Oh, and you can shut the vents like most of these Kenmores. Both the Whirlpools and the Gibsons do that. And then you got your adjustable louvers like usual. So I pointed these upwards a little bit so you won't get the air noise. High fan, medium fan, low fan. It's not quiet, but it's not loud. Set it to low cool, and we'll kick on the compressor. Matsushita rotary. It's already cold. Already cold. Got a metal fan in it. Low, medium cool, high cool. This is funny. Practically brand new LG shit itself. Might be able to see the oil stain there with all the dirt. So I'm guessing the dirt kind of helped it corrode and leak, but that's pretty sad. It's practically brand new. It was pretty dirty, but still no excuse for this thing to shit itself that quick. It's a 410A unit. So that's going to be scrapped. I saved the fan motor because it was actually had good bearings yet. So since a lot of the ones I get and then do work have bad bearings, instead of replacing the bearings which is time consuming. I could just swap the fan motor. It'll cost me nothing. Anyway. Looks good. 11,500 BTU from 1984. And it's an 8.7 EDR. $1,320 not terrible, not bad at all really. It's not too far off from what it claims there. Oh, that's cold. Beautiful. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. There's not too much to say about it. I'm not going to take it out of the case right now. It's not a slide out, it's a fixed chassis. As you can see by all the screws on the side. I don't feel like taking it apart right now. But it will be cleaned and whatnot soon. It does need a clean, but it's in great shape. The only thing broken on this is the bottom of the grill there is broken. What can you do? It's really not that big of a deal. Anyways. Alright, y'all have a good one. That's it for today. And, yeah, next video that you might see is going to be getting that mini split going, hopefully, if I get the chance. Alright, that's it. Y'all have a good one.